Welcome to 3192 Waterfall Country Estate in Gate 2. My name is Joelle and I work for Team Luxury Living for Remax Infoglobe. I work in the Waterfall area and surrounding estates in Midrand. The house I'm currently filming in is in Waterfall Estate, Gate 2, Waterfall Country Estate, and it's currently on the market for 16.9 million. Personally, this is one of my favorite houses. It's spacious and it offers everything a luxury living property should offer. This is paintwork. It is not wallpaper. Welcome to your guest bedroom, which is downstairs. You've got a full bathroom as well as the room. Again, that wall is painted by hand. They have used the best finishings in this house. Even the detail of the taps is phenomenal. This way you've got your at-home study with everyone working from home. You've got a spacious study with access to the garden as well. Lots of cupboard space. Very tranquil. You've got 3 garages with entry into the property. You've got a dining room. The doors open up. You've got a state-of-the-art kitchen with integrated appliances, fridge, smeg oven, coffee machine, oven, freezer. This way you've got your scullery, which has a built-in cooler, a spacious pantry, and ample cupboard space. Over here you've got your family TV room, a gas fireplace, place to hang your TV, and it all opens up with stack doors. You've got a undercover patio with a built-in gas braai and a built-in bar. Beautiful garden, swimming pool, outside entertainment area with another gas fireplace. Over here you've got another room which could either be used as a formal lounge, another lounge. The opportunities are endless. And over here you've got your guest bathroom. So this is the upstairs. Welcome to the main bedroom. You've got a walk-in closet on your left. Spacious bedroom for, you could put a bed here, you could have a little private lounge. And the most magnificent full bathroom. On the left wing of your house, you've got 3 bedrooms as well as a balcony. This is your pajama lounge with a gas fireplace. You've got a beautiful spacious balcony with magnificent views. You've got a built-in study nook with some linen cupboards. Another bedroom with a walk-in closet and a full bathroom. All 3 of the bedrooms on this wing of the house all open up onto a double-layered balcony. You've got central aircon throughout the property. This is bedroom 2 on this wing out of 3. Again, it leads onto the balcony and you've got a walk-in closet and a full bathroom. Personally, one of the features I love about this house is that all 5 bedrooms offer full bathrooms with showers as well as bathtubs. This is the 3rd bedroom on the wing. You've got cupboards on your left, on your right, my left. Here you've got a nice bookshelf. Access to the balcony and again a full bathroom. Please call us today to arrange a viewing.